Actually, you can use something that is, translucent, but it would be better if it is transparent, so you can see where the lagpas is. Okay. I will just place this on the side, cover that part, and then I will erase this part and this top wrap. Now, of course, for erasing, we are going to use our needle. Okay. So did you buy 5 pieces of Faber-Castell?
Not yet.
Eraser?
Not yet.
Because if you just have like one piece of that small, it's so hard to use it. It's so hard to hold. Okay? It has to be something big.
Pwede siyang laruan.
Now, when you erase, do not erase directly like that. You have to dab. Because sometimes the powder form is so thick that it will just slide when you erase. And before you knew it, you will have a hard time erasing it. Okay? So you try to dab first the needed eraser so that the powder will stick there. And then if the powder is thin, you can now erase it.
Oh.
Okay, like that. And then definitely some powder form and powder part will go there. Okay? From time to time you need to wipe it because when you use it as tape, sometimes you don't realize that you have used the other side and you have used it there. Now this is dirty. So this one, the powder you will just stick there. And you just, before you do it, everything's dirty already. Okay? So from time to time, you just wipe with tissue. Or, that part, when you have that powder, you use that also on the same spot with the powder para hindi siya makadumi. Okay? Finally, okay, after you have erased, it is now time to protect that layer of pastel. Why do we need to protect the layer of the pastel? Because it is in powder form. Okay, so we need to protect that so that that pastel will remain there. Otherwise, if you don't protect that or spray that with fixative, okay, it will just be gone. It will just, okay. Now, so I can now spray it with fixative. Now, the fixative that we are going to use is workable fixative. Okay? Workable because after I spray this area with workable fixative, I can still work on it again. Meaning, I can add another layer of pastel, or I can add another layer of marker, and the medium will adhere to the surface. Unlike if you spray it with final fixative, when you spray this with final fixative, you cannot work on it again. Because it peels off everything. And there's no chance for the medium to adhere to the surface. Okay, to the board. So you need to make use of a workable fixative. Now when you spray with workable fixative, you spray it, do not spray it continuously. Sometimes when you spray it continuously, you just spray a certain spot, and before you do it, you stick now. Okay? So when you spray one at a time. Meaning, not when you okay? Just like that. And you spray 10 to 12 inches. Okay? And do not spray inside the closed space like this. Do not heat that. But asthma. That is the problem. You discover your alone, and then, well, the mere smell of it will trigger your asthma. So, siguro, what we can do is we can ask somebody to spray, let it dry.
Walang sakit.
You know, physical na kayo talaga. Hindi ka rin 20 hands na at may asthma pa.
Iba na gawa.
Okay?